Alright, what is going on, guys? So 2019 has kind of started off a little bit slow for the channel, but we got some fun stuff cooking in the works. I will explain that to you guys later, but I also got a new camera and it's going to be pretty dope. I've been rocking the Sony a3000 for like the last 2 years and then some. We're switching it up to a Canon EOS M100, which is super clean. Alright, so first vlog with the new camera. Hopefully it should bring some better quality to the channel. That the channel's been kind of lacking. I've been using the same camera for a while, so this is going to be a nice refresh. So young Levi recently rebuilt his cooling system. And what do you got going on here, bro?
I don't know where this nut went. It's kind of gone. It just dipped on me.
I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be a bolt there.
I don't know, dude.
I'm not gonna lie, there should be a bolt. Mine has a nut. Both of my cars have bolts there, dude. They don't have nuts. Watch me find an exhaust nut and it's gonna work perfectly. Try that.
It works.
That's fucking great. Alright, so I recently picked up an X-Brace from someone who was parting out a car locally. It's a little dirty, I'm not gonna lie, but dude, an X-Brace is an X-Brace. I only paid 80 bucks for this thing. So it was super clutch when this thing came up. I bought it 20 minutes after we posted it. Oh, that power steering leaf life.
Wait, I'll put you back.
Here's the thing about this new camera. When I film and when I vlog, when I work on my cars, my hands get super dirty. And because that other camera is like super old, I don't really care. But I like kind of feel bad like getting this thing dirty. But that's just kind of the nature of the channel, I guess. Figure out what size we got here. If it's not, you're handing me other. Ooh, nice shirt, bro. Out of nowhere, stunting. Sorry, little rich boy, bro.
The stock
bar I have under here, I think I bent it.
The stock one?
It looks bent.
Yeah, I tried jacking up my car once from that. I started bending, so I stopped.
Yeah, on that Thanksgiving cruise we did, I hit a fat rock, dude.
That could be it.
I think it bent this.
You got some oil on it.
Yeah, my power steering's leak.
Yeah, some issues that I've heard people have is they'll hit something and the cross brace will actually like smack the bottom of their oil pan and crack it.
Yeah.
And then they're kind of screwed.
Well, if I crack the pan on this, that's gonna suck. The sway bar hangs down lower. I'm not like too concerned about it.
Flip it over. Yeah, now you can see it. Oh yeah, no, they're different lengths. So I was thinking about like having a front one and having a back one. But it's a different size.
From here to here?
Yeah.
Well, the cross member goes here. It's just on here you have the frame rails.
Mm-hmm.
Right over here is the transmission tunnel, and so there's no bracing. Well, there was a brace. That brace was basically this brace. It's the same brace. It just has all this shit onto the cross member now.
That's funny that they put the holes and everything for it. They just didn't go through with it. They only put
they
drop tops.
They put them on drop tops, and I want to say, does yours have one?
Mine is the same
Yours
bar.
is a 99.
Yeah.
I wonder if they just only put them on drop tops then.
Yeah, because my drop top had one.
They put them on Z3s too. You should have taken that off before you fucking got rid of that car.
Dude, I was just so happy to see it go.
You should have.
Honestly, the day it loaded up on the trailer was like.
They wouldn't have noticed at all, dude.
Copart, they're such. They like don't care about the cars when they're putting it on. They completely ripped the front bumper off when they were loading it onto the truck. And laughed. That eBay bumper.
That low life. What?
Your rear tires are pretty fucked.
They're getting there. I got a set in my room. Yeah, I bought a set of rears from Discount when I worked there. When I went to buy them, it was like after I put my 2 weeks in. Like, might as well get tires for cheap while I can. And the one of the guys up front was like, "You're leaving. I'm not giving you an employee discount." And I was like, "All right, well, I'll just fucking walk out now and never come back." I had like a week and a half of work left. And then he was like, are you serious? I was like, fuck yeah, dude, I still work here. Give me the discount. He was being a little cuck about it. And then he finally gave me the discount. Yeah, I paid, I think, $40 each for those. Ooh, baby. Look at that cross brace life, dog. What are your thoughts, bro?
Looks good. I just think it's funny that like it fits right on there, but they didn't do it for any of their cars. Kind of like they were just.
I thought they put them on the late model cars at all. Just the drop tops. I know they put them on Z3s. I could have swore because I heard they put them on 99s, but yours is a 99, right?
Yeah. And it just has a regular bar.
Fair enough. Ooh, slam boy. It'll take me a while to get used to how this camera like adjusts to light and stuff. It'll be interesting.
Was that for Maya?
That's for your little shifter, bro. I found it.
I think this was supposed to go on the car.
It was, but I didn't put it on because I couldn't find it.
You were looking at me, you were like, you said you're gonna rebuild the shifter linkage, right? I was like, yeah, why? You're like, nothing. You kept putting it back together.
Yeah, that's because I didn't put that shit on. The DSSR rod comes with new ones of those, and I think they're like aluminum.
Well, I'm not worried.
They might be black plastic.
I would have never been able to tell.
Alright, so we got the new cross brace on. I'm hyped. I have been waiting and wanting to put an X brace on this car for quite a while. Since I bought it, basically. So now we got front strut bar, rear strut bar, and the X brace. This is about as stiff as this chassis is gonna get without like a cage and actual like modifying the chassis. Just like bolt-on stuff, but it's pretty good. It's gonna be nice. I know this was short, but I wanted to give the new camera a test run. I hope you guys like it. Let me know down in the comments if you prefer the old camera. Nah, it's kind of whack. Who the fuck says that? Don't worry about it. There's nothing. I fucked up. I made a mistake, bro. Don't worry about it. Nothing.
Then don't apologize. I don't know what you said.
Alright, I will see you guys the next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I'll see you guys later.
I mean,
you see what I mean? Like when you're looking at it, do you look at the screen or do you look? Yeah.
It makes you want to look at the screen more.
Yeah.
But I mean, you've been doing it for so long, you should be used to framing.
Well, yeah, I am. You know, it's just like I've been doing it for so long. So this new camera has like a flip-up screen that sits up above the camera, if that makes sense. So like the camera will flip up, and I have it up now, but I usually don't have it up. I feel like I'm not gonna have it up because it kind of forces me to look at the screen and not so much the lens. And when I look at the lens, it looks like I'm looking at you guys, but when I look at the screen, you can tell that I'm not looking at the lens. And I see a lot of YouTubers who have cameras like this, and they look at the screen, and it just kind of looks weird. So, I don't know. At the same time, I can kind of see like the frame in the corner of my eye, you know? So I don't know if that helps or not. What do you think?
Kind of. I mean, if you just kind of train yourself to not look at it, like it's really hard for me to look at the lens right now and not look at the screen.
That's what I'm saying.
But, I mean, I'm sure you get used to it after a while. Yeah,
it's like, I don't know. I really want to look at the screen, but then like if I have the screen down, then I kind of like don't look at the screen. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's gonna be weird trying to get used to this new camera because I've been using that old setup for so freaking long. All right, I'll see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard.